As you embark on your journey with Do Group, we will be right there with you every step of the way. In the dynamic realm of finance, every day is a new challenge. Our founding mission has always guided us towards the shores of a brighter vision. Together with our global partners, we work hand in hand to establish a comprehensive financial ecosystem. Together with our global clients, we thrive and seize endless opportunities in the tide of the times. Together with our employees, we continuously explore and innovate to create better services. Every fist bump embodies strength. We seize opportunities amid challenges, achieving success in opportunities. In the ever-changing financial world, we always give our best. We break financial boundaries with cutting-edge technology, carrying countless trusts with professional services. We explore the infinite possibilities of the financial world. On the journey towards a better future, Do Group is always with you. Let's break through in unity and forge a legendary future together.